GutFlush Ivermectin is being promoted online as a parasite cleanser that claims to use a combination of fenbendazole and ivermectin to eliminate parasites, their eggs, and toxic waste from the body. According to the website, GutFlush promises total parasite elimination, better energy levels, improved mental clarity, and enhanced gut and brain health. The marketing suggests that parasites are the hidden reason behind fatigue, brain fog, stomach issues, and other health problems, and that this single formula can restore your health quickly. But the real question is whether GutFlush Ivermectin is actually legit or just another risky product using fear to sell. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. One of the biggest red flags with GutFlush is how it pushes self-diagnosis and self-treatment. The marketing strongly assumes that most people already have parasites without any medical tests or professional confirmation. This fear-based approach can convince viewers they're sick, even when they are not, leading them to take substances they may not need, which can be dangerous. Another serious concern is the lack of proper regulatory approval or proof of testing. There is no clear evidence of FDA approval, human clinical trials, or third-party lab testing that confirms the safety, effectiveness, or even the accuracy of the ingredients. When a product makes strong medical-style claims without this kind of proof, it becomes a major warning sign. The parasite cure claims themselves also sound unrealistic. GutFlush claims it can eliminate pinworms, roundworms, hookworms, lungworms, whipworms, and tapeworms using one formula. In real medical practice, these parasites are very different, require lab testing to identify, and are treated with specific medications under medical supervision. No legitimate doctor recommends a one-size-fits-all parasite treatment. Safety guidance is also unclear. The product does not clearly explain proper human dosing standards, long-term safety data, or how these ingredients are safely formulated for people. There are no established daily values or medically accepted guidelines provided, leaving users to guess what is safe. The marketing also promises fast and guaranteed results, sometimes suggesting improvements in just days. This is misleading because even medically prescribed parasite treatments can take weeks and often require follow-up testing and monitoring for side effects. Guaranteed results in health products usually make a red flag. One of the most concerning issues is the use of ivermectin and fenbendazole. Ivermectin typically requires medical supervision, and fenbendazole is mainly approved for veterinary use in many countries. Presenting these substances as regular supplement ingredients without clear approvals, warnings, or doctor oversight raises serious safety and legality concerns. There are also credibility issues with the medical authority presented. The website refers to a doctor, but many users report being unable to verify licenses, credentials, or professional profiles. In some cases, a similarly named doctor exists but appears unrelated, raising concerns about misleading authority. The sales page relies heavily on fear-based and aggressive marketing, repeatedly warning viewers about parasites damaging their bodies and urging quick action. Instead of balanced, evidence-based information, it uses scare tactics to push purchases. Transparency is another issue. The website does not clearly disclose who owns or operates the business. Legitimate health brands usually provide verifiable company details and contact information, which are missing or unclear here. Finally, while a 30-day refund guarantee is mentioned, the refund terms are vague, and the reviews shown on the site cannot be independently verified. High ratings without reliable third-party sources often indicate selective or fabricated testimonials. Overall, GutFlush Ivermectin shows multiple red flags related to safety, transparency, and misleading claims. If you are experiencing health issues, the safest option is always to consult a qualified healthcare professional rather than relying on online products that make big promises without solid proof.